This style will not stress me. Yeah, this is getting on my nerves. You know what I look like? Sleeping on these was alright. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you are a new subscriber, hello, my name is jillianalysia. On this channel we do everything natural hair, lifestyle, fashion, and anything else that I feel like doing, honestly. So welcome. And if you are not new, hello girl or guy, I hope you're subscribed. If you're not, what are you doing? So in today's video I will be doing, what are these? Oh I forgot what these are called. I feel like they're called like magic rollers or something. I've seen, but other people call them spoolies. So we're just gonna call them spoolies. We are doing spoolies today, and I got this actually for Christmas, and I was super excited because I said, girl, I want to see how these turn out. So I watched a few videos before this because I don't like to do nothing for no reason. Okay, so if I'm doing a hairstyle, I want to make sure that this is the hairstyle I'm going to do and it's going to work out the first time I do it. I'm going to do this on this hair, my dry hair right now. This is a really old 3-strand twist out that I just have in a puff for a few of the errands that I had to run today. So I'm just going to spray it a little bit with some water, and I'm going to add in some curl defining cream from Meet & Body Works that I always use. Brush it out and put it on this roller because I don't want it to be drenching wet. I want it to just be a little damp so that it can hold the product well, and then when it's on the roller I want it to be able to be dry by tomorrow because right now it's at night. So some tips that I heard while doing these is to do it on dry hair. Some people do it on hair when you blow it out, but I don't put heat on my hair like that, so I didn't want to do that this time. So I'm going to just try it on like a old style like this, and my hair is already stretched, so just dampening it a little bit, adding a little product and putting it on the thing shouldn't be bad. The turnout shouldn't be bad, and the drying time is cut like in half. Like I said, I'll have this link below on my Amazon store, so you could shop it through that link, please yeah, you can shop it through that link. And this came with 2 of these things. I think this is a hairnet to keep all your hair together in it. I won't be using this because I don't think I'll need it, and my head, it might be too big. It's too tight. I'm not wearing that. I don't know what that's about, but it came with 2 of those. It's just these bigger ones and then these smaller ones. And I didn't, part my hair super even because I usually don't care about that, because once you fluff it out and pick it out, it really doesn't matter. So, and I like it better when the parts aren't really defined, like really parted really well, because say you go outside and the wind blows, it's gonna blow it, you're gonna see that part that you made. You know what I mean? So when I do like parts that's not really even, once I pick it out, it doesn't really flow to that same part, if you know what I mean, because I usually don't make those kind of parts. I hope that makes sense. No. So I'm gonna put these little ones around like the top parts of my hair, and then the bigger ones are going to be towards the bottom and the back. So let's get started. Another tip was that you don't want to put too much hair in the roller, and I hate that because I hate doing like a whole bunch of little parts or whatever, like a whole bunch of small parting. But this, I feel like I'm gonna have to do that in half. Focus it at my roots as well as my ends, of course, but I'm just making sure to focus it at my roots because I really want those to lay. People are doing it from the ends first and rolling it up this way, but I'm going to do it from the roots and rolling it that way. So I'm taking it, it's the big part, I'm just putting my hair in between it. I'm making sure it's laying flat. And I'm just gonna curl my hair around it. Okay. So once all the hair is on it, I'm just gonna close it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. That last one is flatter on my head, so I'm gonna try this one again. Ooh, I hope these come out good. Because like I said, I do not like wasting my time. I really don't. I mean, but it's good to try new styles on your hair just to see, your hair's true potential and just do different styles with it. I have a highlight on my Instagram that you guys can go check out. And I like to have that there for people that are into natural hair and also people that aren't, you know, so it's kind of educating. And I just have it called versatility. And I don't remember when's the first time I put that there, but ever since I put that there, I've gotten so many people that reply to my story highlights that are still in there and just be like, wow, this is awesome, or I love to see all the things that natural hair can do, blah, blah, blah. So I like to have that there, so you guys can go check that out, you know, if you're interested. It's not even hard, it's just harder with my nails. I like for it to be super tight. Like, I like for it to be right up at the top there. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me do it again. This style will not stress me. It will not stress me. What the heck? Okay, this is frustrating me. Ow. Yeah, this is getting on my nerves. Like, why doesn't this one look like that? I'm gonna try it one more time. And however it stays is just how it's gonna stay. Okay, that's just how it's gonna be. Because at this point, I still got my whole head to do. Yeah, we gonna leave it like that. We gonna leave her like that because she obviously just wants to hang. So we just gonna let her hang. I'm gonna go ahead and open all these up because I'm not about to keep opening these up every time I'm ready to use it. And I'm gonna just do this side blue and this side pink because I'm very OCD like that.
Baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that they're all lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman who says good things. Fist full of diamonds, handful of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's.
Okay, so I'm back. Girl, I had to watch my show. I had to put my show on while I did this because it is super late. So, but I did want to show how I'm doing my bangs. So far, this is what it's looking like. Like I said, I was just going to do this eye blue, this eye pink just because. But really, it makes no difference. But they do have the big and the small sizes. So I'm doing literally all of them big and only keeping my bangs for the smaller sizes. For the smaller sizes. So I am cutting my bangs into 2 parts like this. I'm gonna grab some small pink ones, and just like this side, I'm just gonna split them up. I've been doing small sections. That's why it took a good hour and a half for me to do. After you get the hang of it, it goes pretty fast. They have little holes in it, so it should be easier to dry. And I got her eyebrows waxed for the first time, y'all. So she feels like a new woman. You do look really pretty.
2 of my scrunchies.
Huh? You do look really pretty.
Thank you.
You guys, a little up close version. All I did was open the, what is it? Spoolie, squiggly. I made sure that the roots of my hair, everything was kind of laying flat. I put some more of the cream on there. So I'm just gonna pull it taut, then take the spoolie, make sure my hair is in the middle, all the way at the top of the root, and I'm just going to put the hair around. Simple as that. So after I put the hair around, I just roll it back up that same way, making sure all my hair is smoothed on there the best that I can, honestly. And I'm rolling it up until it reaches my root, and then I just close it. You know what I look like? That's what I look like. Yeah, I'm about to go to sleep before I keep babbling on here because I am a little delirious. Now this thing, I don't know, because I don't want to wake up with no headache. Not for these rollers. Is this even for that? Like, what the heck? Maybe it is. Let me see. I'm not wearing this. No, I'm not wearing that. All right, y'all. Good night. What's happening? So we back. This one kind of drooped a little bit, but let's go ahead and take these out. Sleeping on these was all right. All right. Well, we just gonna have to see. I did put some grapeseed oil on my hands to take it down.
Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you. Your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. And everywhere you go, they stop and stare, 'cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control.
Okay, so I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Right now, some of the curls are giving very much drop, and some of them are giving very much grandma. I look like somebody's grandma. Let me go ahead and pick this out. Let me try to revive it because I'm feeling it. I'm feeling some of the curls. I am. But yeah, so I don't want to do too much because I don't want to mess up, you know, the curls that are in place, but I'm definitely gonna get some volume up in here. Sleeping on them was okay. When I was watching videos, a lot of people were like, oh yeah, I slept so peacefully and did. Girl, I didn't sleep that peacefully. It's definitely better than flexi rods because it's silicone, but it's still something on your head that you're laying on. So it was not very comfortable for me.
If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'll be coming home back to you, but every night doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. Fist full of diamonds, hand full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you all. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you.
Okay, so look how she ate that. After playing with it, doing my makeup, picking it out, all that, I really like how this turned out. It's like a cute, just a cute roller set, really. Yeah, you definitely want to be careful picking it out. Use oil, and I wouldn't pick out the curls too much or separate the curls too much. I'm definitely probably going to be styling it like in an updo type of look. Because I don't really know what it's given when it's down like this. I don't know. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a cute little style to try out if you're looking to do different things with your natural hair. I gotta get going. So stay blessed and stay sweet.